If you ask around Houston where to find a solid burger, one name keeps coming up: Burger Bodega. This is the kind of place locals swear by. No frills, no shortcuts, just burgers cooked the way they're supposed to be. From the sizzle of the patties to that first bite of melted cheese and toasted bun, you can tell this spot knows its lane and owns it.
As I've been wanting to come here for a long time, the ordering process was fairly easy. We had a guy up there explain, I didn't catch his name, but he explained the process to me and how to order. So I think we're ready. The food's ready now, right here. Go ahead. No, that's ours.
The word bodega comes from Spanish, meaning storeroom, but in American cities, it grew into something far bigger. In the early 1900s, bodegas became corner stores of everyday life, especially in neighborhoods across New York City with strong Puerto Rican, Dominican, and Caribbean roots. These weren't just stores. They were community hubs, open early, open late, sometimes never closing. You could grab groceries, a hot sandwich, a drink, or just exchange a few words with someone who knew your routine. Bodegas reflected the neighborhoods they served. Handwritten signs, buzzing refrigerators, familiar faces behind the counter, and food that was simple, fast, and comforting. Over time, the bodega became more than convenient. It became culture, a place built on accessibility, connection, and food that didn't need explaining. That spirit is exactly what inspired Burger Bodega. Taking the heart of the classic bodega, no frills, neighborhood energy, and food done right, and translating it into a burger spot that feels familiar the moment you walk in. It's not about trends, it's about tradition, reimagined. And that's why Burger Bodega isn't just named after bodegas, it carries their legacy forward, one burger at a time.
Guys, it looks like there's more seating upstairs on the patio area. It's a little cool today in Houston, so we might just go up there and give you some footage of what's happening, but we're not gonna sit out there and eat. So hopefully the food will be here soon. They already called a guy named Lee, but I don't think it was our food, so we'll just see how it goes.
These sandwiches, so freaking good. The double smash burger is the perfect size. Crispy edges on the patty, juicy in the middle, and packed with flavor. Every bite just works. You can tell right away they're using fresh ingredients. Nothing tastes rushed or frozen here. And the fries, super crispy. The kind you just keep reaching for without thinking. But what I'm really hooked on right now is the chopped cheese. It's loaded with flavor, a solid portion, and straight up satisfying. Add some jalapeños to that joint and it takes it to a whole nother level. The spicy chopped cheese hits too. Bold, savory, with just the right amount of heat. And trust me on this when I tell you the Bodega sauce is a must. Get the 2-ounce cup. You're gonna want more. This is exactly why spots like Burger Bodega keep people coming back.
Just look like we're getting in. Okay.
Ooh, something kind of cold.
It's a little chilly here, if we didn't tell you already. It's 50-some degrees, and to some of you that might not be that cool because we're used to the warm here in Houston. But anyway.
Yeah. Y'all would be like, this is cold.
Guys, what you think?
If I had more hands.
Burger Bodega is an absolute hit. I love the concept.
Mm-hmm.
Walking in, my initial reaction, like I said, it felt like a little tiny grocery store. You know, it really gives you that vibe, almost like you can buy some laundry detergent or some mayonnaise that's on
Well, which one did you like best? The chopped cheese or the?
Oh my goodness. Don't put me on the spot. What I liked is that they put a lot of thought into it. It's not like they made a cute little place to eat or an eclectic place to eat and then whatever on the menu. That's not at all. The fries were kind of average, but the burger and the
Chopped cheese.
the chopped cheese that came on like a toasted sub bun, and then it was just great with all the lettuce, tomato,
Yes.
onion, all of it together.
Everything mixed in was just fantastic.
Yeah.
You can tell that it's it's literally a hamburger chopped up with cheese in it or ground meat with cheese mixed in it. And I mean, it's super cheesy, very tasty, very
not overwhelming. Everything is
yeah.
mixed very well.
Great a balance between the bread and the toasting. Like you said, the toasting of the bread was over the top. So
They have hot dogs and milkshakes, some other things that we didn't get, but I mean,
I wanted to try the two staples, the chopped cheese and the smash burger. The smash burger had the nice little crust around the edges, good flavor on the meat, so you can tell they're using quality products. So kudos to Burger Bodega. I definitely want to come back when it's warmer so we can sit up on the top outside and kind of watch the cars go by. But now, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. And if you're close to Houston and you like burgers, I would say add Burger Bodega to your list. And there's only one right now. There's only one location that I know of in all of Houston or in all of the United States. So
if you're not in Houston, come visit us.
Come visit us, right? If you're in Houston, hit us up. We might meet you for lunch. Anyway, hopefully you have a blessed day. Me and Marianne, peace.